Okay, a little fake blood, a knife. Oh my gosh! Ugh! I just cut myself. Logan, help me.
What?
I cut myself.
I'll go get a Band-Aid.
Okay. Oh. This is no joke. Look, my knife has blood on it. What are you doing? Can you help me?
I'm looking for
Will you take this knife? Here, take it. Will you put it in the sink before it gets blood everywhere? Here. Hurry. Here.
Get away from me.
Well, get away from you. Will you get a napkin, please? Get a Kate, give me a napkin. I'm bleeding over here.
For real?
Does it look for fake?
Looks like you're using...
Can you hurry? I'm gonna bleed over here. Here, will you put some pressure on it? Push it tight.
No!
Come on.
I'm touching it again.
Don't wipe it on the wall.
No.
Cade.
I'm not touching it. Again.
Help. Oh. Cade. Cade just ran away, Logan. I'm bleeding and he ran away. Oh no. Here, will you kiss it? Here, kiss it.
No.
Kiss it.
No!
It's just fake.
Wait, is it?
It's fake. Look. Look, it's gone.
What did you do?
It's fake blood. See?